Hey, what's up everyone, this is Wicked Android HD, and as you may hear from my voice, I got a cold yesterday, and yeah, my voice is a little bit wicked. Wicked Android, yeah. So, today I have the honor to present you Team Radium ROM version 1.4 official, random Radium, based on Android 5.1.1, and the kernel is made by the XDA maintainer for the Galaxy S4 TG Steve MX at Radium _active. So I'm gonna get to all of these features for this ROM, and gonna get you the pros and the cons. First of all, I find it interesting that it benefits of an entire dark user interface. This is the one TRDS. It's an option that originally came with slim ROMs, if you know about them. If you don't, then this is a module that simply makes your user interface darker, as you may see. There are some bugs, like here when you receive an email, for example, so the sender text is blacked out, so you can't differentiate the subject from the sender. So this is one of my favorite things present in this ROM, and it has an option like you'll have no reason to manually update the theme if you have a functional proximity sensor, which actually not proximity sensor, light sensor, which automatically sets up your user interface. So if it's night, it will automatically change to the dark one, and if you're browsing to your phone during daytime, it will automatically change to a light theme, since you can easily access any settings when everything is light up. The usual settings that come with any ASP ROMs, but this is a more simple one. So status bar, we have a bunch of different settings going to a greeting message. So take a look at this. Let me focus, and if you unlock the device, you will get a custom notification which is called greeting. We have notification ticker, clocked style center, as you may see, and we have the option to set up the clock seconds and any other things that you already know. Just play with them if you flash this ROM, and you'll get used to them. Interface settings, so gesture anywhere we have here. You can okay, so trigger with it like this. So let's add a gesture, for example. Let's open calculator by putting C into place. Okay, we don't have to save anything. So if we slide up like this and we'll put C, it will automatically open calculator, which is by the way in floating app mode like this, which is really cool if you ask me. Sorry, my voice is really fucked up right now. Okay, so regarding these gestures, you saw what these are all about. We have then app circle bar. Let's see if we get to it. We'll trigger with it. Let's make it bigger like this. You can switch back and forth between apps. Of course, the usual heads up notification, the default one from Lollipop. Notification drawer, this gives you the ability to control every single setting regarding the notification bar, like these toggles here, this color here, icon, custom color options, as you may see. So background color and so on and so forth. So we have a bunch of different tiles like ADB over network, ambient display, battery mode, heads up. You can select whatever you want and set it as default here. You can enlarge first row, so this is the difference. We have the first two rows enlarged, and if we disable these, it's okay. Show brightness slider, and yeah, so on and so forth. Regarding lock screen settings, you can customize the weather settings, so you will be simply about to see how's the weather like in your location quickly when you just tap the power button to open your device. Animation settings, these are all about how the user interface looks like. Actually, not looks like, feels like. So the animations of the user interface. Let me give you an example. Let's see the ListView, for example. So we'll get into scale, and let's browse through some. So let's open up File Manager, and we're about to see these kinds of animations. So yep, these beautiful kinds of animations. I like to keep them as stock as possible because it's ASP, and that means as stock as possible. Regarding more settings, animation settings, so let's keep it like this. Recent panel settings. So show search bar in recent menu. This is the one here, so the search bar in recent menu. Personally, I don't like it, but so I will disable it and show you how it looks without it. So that's how it looks. It gives you more screen to see your recent apps. Memory bar, like this, that little bar there. Clear all recents button. You won't need that button because ASP is made for multitasking instead of just cleaning apps every single time like you would do on TouchWiz ROMs, because ASP ROMs don't eat a lot of memory, and I'll show you that immediately. Talking about Slim Recents bar, you'll get a new kind of recents app panel like this, and you can also open the apps in floating mode. I think we need to get into the home screen, and let's open File Manager, for example, to floating mode like this, and you can, like on TouchWiz, you can snap to the top and it will look like this. Okay. You can also snap to the bottom. Sorry. And it will look like this. Okay, sorry for the background noise, guys. My neighbors are freaking me out because they got a new home and they have to, prepare it for their life goals. Random stuff. Wakelock Blocker, these are the ones that you actually don't want to mess with so much. Here we have the update over the air center, so there's no where your system is up to date, as you may see. There's no update coming up. SA Linux set to permissive or enforcing if you need. You need to grant enforcing or permissive. Okay, so that is all about the Radium custom settings. Of course, this benefits of CM12 themes. You have a bunch of themes in Google Play Store. You will be really glad to download. and that's pretty much it. I know you now be asking me, guys, if this is better than Resurrection, or this is better than any other ASP ROMs. Again, I don't have time to really try them with all the apps, all the settings I like. This is the Apollo widget, by the way. So as far as I tested it for about I don't know, maybe 20 to 30 minutes before proceeding with the recording itself, I found it really stable, and I found it a really friendly ROM regarding all the settings and how they are categorized here, like this. This little logo is also really interesting. So Wi-Fi is working good. The only bug I found was this one here, the black text. But to be honest, frankly, I think that was also a bug on BlizzPop ROM, which is also an ASP based ROM, and this bug was also present there. So it may be a bug regarding the TRDS module, but it's not such a big deal. Also, as you may see, the icons here, some icons are green. Actually, only these two icons, the Radium Isotopes, speaking about chemistry, and the sounds category, these icons are green instead of white as they should be. So yeah, that was pretty much it. It sums up all the ASP features along with the pure Android experience 5.1.1 Team Radium. So if you like this video, guys, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. This was Team Radium ROM. Thank you for watching, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.